Your nails are like small canvases which show your beautiful personality to the world. Hi, is me, Bubble, and welcome. Today you will meet Sakura nails. They look so beautiful, but let's show our friends how you made them. Materials that you will need for this nail design: UV gel polish, nail gel brush, liner nail brush, tweezer, micro caviar beads, glitter petals, reinforcing gel with sealing layer, UV flashlight, micro bubble beads, top coat, no wipe. Before you make this design, prepare your nails by removing the cuticles, filing them, and using products such as Ultra Bond, base coat, or others you prefer. Are all of you ready? Let's get started. First, apply quite a bit of color gel. First nail design. Apply a good layer of reinforcement and seal gel, but not excessive to avoid the beads and petals move of the place. Place a petal above, below, and on each side of the nail. Add a bead of size 1 to the tip of each petal, and another size 2 in the middle of the nail. Before you use the UV flashlight, make sure the beads and petals are lined up side to side and top to bottom. Now, add a substantial layer of gel and cover all the decorations, especially over the caviar beads. Apply the second layer and do not spare in the amount of gel. Now apply a substantial coat of top coat. And another one to finish the design. Remember these tips. It is necessary to cover the beads with substantial layers of gel and top coat, as they can lose color due to exposure to the environment. Even if you use the UV flashlight, you must cure the rest of the nail in the UV lamp. Also, it is necessary that the flashlight is close and not far from the beads, since the light would also cure the surrounding, making it impossible to add more beads. Apply another layer of gel to add the rest of the beads, if this occurs. Second nail design. Apply a substantial amount of gel, but not excessive to avoid the beads and petals move of the place. The petals that you need will depend on the size of the flower. Choose one bubble bead from different sizes and place it in the middle, then use the UV flashlight. Later, place one caviar bead side 1 in the middle of every petal. Cure them with the flashlight, one by one, if they move from the place. Now, add the rest of the beads to finish the design. Apply a substantial layer of gel to protect all decorations. Then, apply the second layer and do not spare in the amount. Apply a substantial layer of top coat. And another layer to finish the design. Third nail design. Apply gel but do not exceed the amount. Then add the petals. Place one bead of size 1 between the two petals. Make sure the petals and beads are in the position that you want before curing them. Add a substantial layer of gel and cover well all the decorations. Apply the second layer and do not spare in the amount of gel. Apply a substantial layer of top coat. And a second layer. Fourth nail design. Apply gel but do not exceed the amount. Then, place a petal up and down as a reference. And add the rest of the petals with the tips pointing down. On the upper and lower petal, add a bead. Cure the beads with the UV flashlight. Now cover with gel the beads and petals. Last layer of gel. Cover well with the top coat. Last layer of top coat. Fifth nail design. Add the petals after the gel. I decided to place each petal following the tip of the other. Add one bead at each tip. And cure them one by one with the flashlight if they move from the place. If you want, you can add less petals and place them little far from each other. Now, add the gel all over the petals and beads. Remember, add a substantial amount of gel. And add the last layer of gel. Now it is time for the top coat. Finally, the last substantial layer. Remember these tips. First, cover very well the caviar beads. Second, the flashlight must be close and not far from the beads. And the last tip, you must cure the rest of the nail in the UV lamp, even if you use the UV flashlight. I hope you like meeting Sakura, and if you want to meet the rest of my friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I want to give a very special thank you to these wonderful people who support my channel. Bye bye, see you soon.